It was an incredibly exciting experience to get to meet content creators and experts in artificial intelligence and content creation at the Adobe Next Live in Mumbai.
The event was completely based on the AI. How Adobe can give AI support for the filmmakers and the video creators.
It was an awesome conference where we had an opportunity to network and connect with design and film students from all over the country. We also had a chance to see amazing panelists who were industry professionals such as AJ Blyer, Zoya Akhtar and many more. We also had a chance to experience the Adobe's new technologies hands-on, getting to know the latest AI models and generation technologies and everything. Overall, it was a fantastic experience.
Adobe has recently launched their Campus Ambassadors program, which facilitates students and connects them to industry professionals. It also provides us with an access to Creative Cloud AI credits. As the event was mostly based on AI creativity, we had the privilege of interacting with leaders from design and filmmaking such as Shantanu Hazarika, Guru Vaidya and others.
And one of the most memorable experience I had was an unexpected meeting with one of the best content creators in the world, AJ Blair from San Francisco. He came all the way, flew in all the way from the US to be with us. And he shared his experience of creating content and how he leverages artificial intelligence, Gen AI, to create content.
And I would like to thank the Media Department of Alliance University and our professors for providing us this wonderful opportunity and chance.